Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Navino channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to make all photos private on Facebook. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and here the first thing we're going to do, we're going to tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. And after that, we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on settings and privacy. Then choose settings. Here, a list of options will appear, so scroll all the way down. And now tap on Profile and Tagging. So here we have who can post on your profile. Here, if it is set to friends, then change it to only me. And the same thing for who can see what others post on your profile. So change it to only me. Also, who can see posts that you're tagged in on your profile, change it to only me. And also we have when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it. Here choose only me. And here at the bottom in review, and we have review tags that people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. So toggle this on. So no one's post can be added to your profile unless you approve it. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.